wanted to do something completely different. And we kept dreaming, and we kept dreaming, and we kept dreaming. And today, all around the world, we give birth to something that's special.
Fired up. Wow.
Hey guys, HB and the crew here. We are right now in Las Vegas, Nevada, right here at the Orleans Arena. Today is the day before the kickoff and the launch of iBuumerang begins. And what we're about to do is do a countdown. And you guys are actually about to see, when I press send with this button, this was when I sent the final wire for the purchase of our own rideshare company and iBuumerang. Vibe rides, baby. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Boom!
And I want you guys to know that you can use this event to change your life.
The next time you walk in any room, they need to ask you, are you in iBuumerang?
You do deserve to have your heart's desires. You deserve that, and you can have it.
This is so special, this idea that we have, this concept. And so what we've got to do is let's go out there and create the future that nobody's ever seen. Now, I know a lot of people told y'all the crib wasn't real. So I'm going to say it for you. You don't have to say anything.